Hello friends, this session is about the gimbal. The camera stabilizing stand is widely used nowadays. Professionals and amateurs alike. There is a camera holding a stand which is stabilizing the position of camera. It will not slip away from the focusing lane or the correct position, because this has the capacity of holding the correct position. How it happens, the theoretical aspect is something complicated. Actually, I am just showing you the repairing work of this model, because this has problem with this inside here. This you can see the wire connection from here. This point, the wire is going through this and up to here. Here there is a motor and the circuit is here. The circuit is somewhat a problem inside. Some kind of small chip is used. The chip is not working properly. So we can open and see what happens. The operation of this kind of gimbal is not so problem. It's very easy to operate, because there is a lot of classes on this kind of gimbal using is available. For opening this, you have to use this hex wrench like this tool, and totally screw remove here. Every screw remove. Too tight. This is a new invention, and there was some kind of gimbal in the market before. That is just only a pipe, like this pipe, bracket type, and the bracket having a holding point in center and holding with the two hand. That was the gimbal. Now the engineers designed this with 3 motors. Single motor function also coming, but this is the, I think, little bit major type. His name is Yun. His Chinese name, how to pronounce, I don't know. Anyway, the name is the equipment name is Gimbal, and someone says Osmo stand also. I don't know what is the proper word for this. Anyway, gimbal is widely used. This gimbal is a useful thing for photographers, especially in the crowd, and somewhere these news recorders are using this. When the crowd is there, the camera will not cannot hold perfectly there, so they are using this overhead. So all the screw is removed here. Take out this. You can see the circuit here and the connector which comes to this point. Now here this is the first motor. This motor have a speciality. This motor is not 360-degree rotating type. Here you can get 360 degree, but in this there is a limit position only. And this is a brushless motor used with this very thin copper winding and very sensitive type. It will rotate very slowly and speedily. That is the benefit of this motor, especially designed for this purpose. I think the conventional motors are different. This is the dial for controlling this, programming this. To program, you can use this. Go put the 3 batteries used here. 3.7 volt, 1, 2 and 3 batteries are used here. And when you program this dial here, you will get the digital the measurement, everything here. The mode switch is here, and here you can get the cursor, and a kind of cursor is here also. This occasionally you can control this. This also can control. So okay, the problem is actually with this cable. This wire is not getting a connection with the main board here inside this. Early you can see there 4 and 5, 9 connection wires. This goes to this circuitry, and here you can see this motor connection is here, and the motor will rotate like this way. Both sides will rotate. Whichever side you need, you just control from that dial, then it will rotate. This is a servo control chip is here, and the programming chip is here. The servo control is not working properly. It's not giving power to the inside the motor. Just I check with this all equipments here. But, next session I will give you the measuring instruments and everything. So we have to replace either this board or this chip. If chip is available, it will be cheap to repair, and some cases this company people will provide only this total circuit board, so we have to replace it. This camera holding here, a Alpha 5000 is just fixed to show you. This will see this normally it is stabilizing, but when it is connected with the circuitry and power, this will hold correct position and never will slip away the what I say the perfect focusing point. And here you can connect with your mobile charger so that it will charge, and you can connect with the camera also. Camera also will hold this. Some cameras having facility and software also available for this. So okay friends, I think you may enjoy this session, and next session likely to bring these cameras repair work, because this has no power. It's a very prestigious Canon camera with a 2 memory cards can fix it in. Long time recording is possible. It's a very good camera. Okay, and other session is a program. I planned to give you a workshop tour on explaining something on my workshops, this design and everything. So my table is very small, not so wide, and here oscilloscope is there, the power supply, bench power supply is there, variable 2 type, and this is the true RMS multimeter from Unity, and this multi-tester, and this is my laptop used for this repairing work. It's a Dell high-end system with 1 TB hard disk and 16 GB RAM and a 3D screen also. It's a very nice thing to workshop, convenient. And so okay, next session I will continue this repair work of camera, this Canon. Hope that you are enjoyed this, and please do subscribe with my channel and encourage me. Then I will get interest, and I will record all the way this repairing work and I'll upload it. So this time I'm signing off. Bye bye.